the Martin Punisher X250 DMX control, and we'll just plug it in and see if it works. Nothing much happening there. Take the case off. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Right, we've taken out the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we lift the top up. And what we have here is the control module there. Now to get at the bulb, the 2 screws at the front here, drop them out. Inside here, you see where the bulb fits in here. And to remove the bulb, simply pull this out gently, and in there is your bulb. And to remove the bulb unit, simply unplug it, and that's what we've got to replace, the bulb anyway. But hang on, he says, watch this, you seem to have a wire broken away here, which would be our problem, and it looks like it's been done before. I had a look at the bulb, I put the meter on it, and it is open circuit anyway, and you can actually see the filament. You can see it rattling around in there, so that's definitely gone. Okay, we're going to remove the motor and the weighted vibration motor under there. So to remove this, we'll need to take off the springs here. Before we do that though, we'll remove this lead here which drives the motor onto the circuit board there. That came off the 3rd and the 4th connections counting from the front. And this one here which drives the weighted motor here, this plug goes on the 5th and the 6th connections there. Now we'll take off the mounting springs. Remove this assembly from the casing. Just bring that one way or the other. Perhaps this way through. Be careful with those connections. So that's that assembly out there. Just remove these 3 springs here. There was another spring on this side here, but that's fell off, so there's the 3 springs of the mounting springs. I believe the gearbox is okay on this little motor here. That's the motor shaft there, and if we just gently turn this, I can actually feel that motor armature turning. So I think that gearbox is okay. Right. Well, we've now got the replacement bulbs, and I've just got to take this casing off anyway, so loosen those screws a bit. Phillips screws. The last time I took this apart, I wasn't, when I put it back together, I Can't quite remember if I reconnected everything, so it all seems to be in place, all the leads are in the right place, so that's okay. And now we'll get into the bulb. And we'll just whip the cover off. Let's have this light on or off. Oh, look at that. A bit better. Now we'll take this cover off to get us into the lamp. I'll poke him out from the inside. And as we can see, the lamp holder here, there's a lead off the lamp holder anyway, so we'll need to replace that. Well, I can't get that in focus, but anyway, it's a spring loaded connection, so I pushed a bit of wire through the back into this part here, which opens it up where I push the wire through. You can see the wire comes through here. It's a stiff wire to open that connection up in there. And now I'm going to re-solder this and put a harder ending on that, this solder. I just tape this wire on here just to give it a stable, hold it still while I solder it. I just want to clean this wire up a bit. To help the solder take. That should be enough. Right, get the solder here. Time to go. Now I'm going to try and make a flat surface on that. Squeeze that tight. And that's flattened that out now. So now I hope to be able to pull this wire out the back here at the same time as push this one underneath the clamp. It's going to be fiddly, but we're going to have a go. Take a bit of tape off in a moment. So we can just pull that wire out about half the way, give it a lift in, and push. Well, I made the connection, but it feels lousy to me. We'll give it a try anyway. So here's the new lamp here. If I can get in the box. Okay, here he is. It's a 24 volt 250 watts, so it's quite bright. Just push the lamp inside here. A little test. I do think there may be another fault on this actually, but we'll try it anyway. Right, I found a lead, so I'll give it a shot and hope for the best. Right, fingers crossed. This is all live, folks. Whoa, what's this thing? Whoa, that is bright, man. Now this is in the there's no control going into this at the moment. So what's right, well that's the panels put back on, and what we'll do is we're going to see what we can do with it now that it's got the lens in. These are supposed to have a built-in microphone. So let's have a look what's going on here. See, we've got a bit of light here. Woo! Whoa! Yo, that's bright. So that's the pattern we've got on the wall at the moment. I thought it had its own microphone built in. Just try that again. I'll just shout into the back of it. Oi! 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 Well, there we are. We seem to have got some results of it. Well, there we are, and that's the Punisher X250. I don't know how much further we'll get with this today. So we'll have to try it for night time and maybe make more inquiries into how these things actually work, because I've never worked on one before. I've never worked with one of these. These are meant for the disco, and they are connected to some sort of program or a computer, the microphone system. But any comments would be greatly appreciated. Around the back here, I see I've got some of the DMX in and DMX out in the back there, and the mode it's in at the moment is supposed to be the master mode standalone. So I don't know. Any suggestions would be welcomed. I'm going to say bye bye for now, and I hope you found my little adventure here amusing. I dare say it's getting a few laughs. It's all in fun, eh? Oh well, bye for now.